Raise your hand if your garden's playing the waiting game right now. Neighbors' roses are blooming, their tomatoes are thriving, and yours, crickets. Here's the truth. May in Zone 7B is your secret weapon. This month, it's like nature hitting the fast forward button. Miss it, and you're stuck with me harvests. Nail it? You'll have flowers exploding, veggies stacking up, and let's be honest, your neighbors peeking over the fence with envy. I've been there. My first May here, total flop. But now, I've cracked the code. Today, I'm handing you the exact 7-step checklist that turned my sad patch of dirt into a garden that gets compliments from the mailman. Ready? Let's dig in. Your comeback story starts right now. The early bloom game changer. Want that well factored by Memorial Day? Here's how to hack your garden schedule. Last May, I did something risky. I planted cold hardy snapdragons 2 weeks early under milk jug greenhouses. Result: by mid-May, my front yard looked like a pastel fireworks show while everyone else's seedlings were still hiding. The secret: bulbs are cheaters. Plant tulip daffodils in November, they'll sprout up first thing in May like they've got a vendetta against winter. Violas equals instant gratification. These tough little show-offs bloom in 40 Fahrenheit weather. Scatter them around bare spots for a planned but wild look. Pinch to win. See buds on your mums. Sacrifice the first few pinching forces bushier plants with 3x more flowers by July. Lay down black landscape fabric 2 weeks before planting. It bakes the soil warm so your seeds think they're in Florida. Warning, don't jump the gun on tomatoes/peppers, they'll sulk. But for pansies, poppies, and peas, May's your month to go wild. Early blooms aren't just pretty, they're pollinator bait. Bees remember first food sources and keep coming back all season. Smart, right? Zone 7B's May superpowers. Think of May as your garden's superhero origin story. This is when the magic kicks into high gear. Here's why Zone 7B gardeners get the ultimate advantage. Soil, that's just waking up. By May, your dirt isn't just warm, it's excited. Those 55, 65 Fahrenheit soil temps are like a caffeine jolt for roots. Test it, stick your finger 2 inches deep. If it feels like a cozy sweater, warm season plants, tomatoes, peppers, basil can finally move in. Longer days, free energy. We're getting 14 plus hours of daylight now. That's nature's version of a productivity hack. Your plants will grow faster than a teenager after a growth spurt. Pollinators on patrol. Early blooms act like a 24/7 diner for bees. The sooner you feed them, the more they'll work for you all summer. Pro tip, plant single petal flowers, zinnias, cosmos. They're easier for bees to access than fancy double blooms. Goldilocks rainfall. Not too wet like April, not too dry like July. May showers give you the perfect moisture balance for seedlings to thrive without drowning. Secret weapon: use this month to sow quick-turn crops between slower growers. Example, plant radishes around your young tomato plants. You'll harvest the radishes in 30 days, just as the tomatoes need more space. Your step-by-step May checklist. This is your ultimate Zone 7B May gardening blueprint. Follow these steps religiously, and your garden will outperform 95% of your neighborhood. Let's break it down into foolproof, actionable steps. Planting master plan. 1. Warm season veggies, the power players. Tomatoes, plant transplants deep, burying 2/3 of the stem to develop massive root systems. Space 24-36 apart for optimal airflow. Add crushed eggshells to planting holes for calcium boost. Peppers, wait until nighttime temps stay consistently above 50 F. Use black plastic mulch to warm soil faster. Plant in blocks, not rows, for better wind protection. Cucumbers, sow seeds directly after last frost date. Install trellises immediately to avoid disturbing roots later. 2. Flowers that deliver non-stop color. Zinnias. Direct sow after soil reaches 70 Fahrenheit. Deadhead weekly for continuous blooms until frost. Marigolds. Plant as pest-deterring borders around vegetable beds. Choose French varieties for compact growth. Sunflowers. Sow succession plantings every 2 weeks. Use mammoth varieties for bird-friendly autumn feed. 3. Herbs for flavor and function. Basil. Pinch back when plants reach 6 tall. Companion plant with tomatoes to deter pests. Dill. Allow some plants to flower for beneficial insects. Harvest leaves in morning for peak flavor. Maintenance musts. 1. Soil optimization. Test and amend. Conduct a simple squeeze test. Soil should crumble like chocolate cake. Mix in 2 of compost before planting. Mulching magic. Apply straw mulch 3 deep around plants. Leave 2 clearance around stems to prevent rot. 2. Watering wisdom. Deep watering system. Water slowly for 1 hour, twice weekly. Use soaker hoses to prevent leaf diseases. Morning ritual. Always water between 5-8. Check soil moisture with a finger test. 3. Structural support. Tomato cages. Install sturdy cages early to avoid damaging roots. Use concrete reinforcing wire for de-indestructible cages. Bean teepees. Create 6 tall structures using bamboo poles. Plant pole beans at each support leg. Pest defense system. Aphid control. Spray with garlic pepper tea weekly. Introduce ladybugs for organic control. Slug solutions. Set out beer traps at soil level. Apply diatomaceous earth around plants. Deer deterrents. Install motion-activated sprinklers. Hang scented soap bars every 10 feet. Special May projects. Pizza garden. Design circular bed with tomatoes, basil, oregano, peppers. Add stepping stone pepperoni for fun. Pollinator hotel. Build simple wood frame filled with bamboo tubes. Mount 3 off-ground facing southeast. Garden journal. Record planting dates and varieties. Sketch bed layouts for crop rotation. Gardening disasters. I've had my share, but this one turned into my proudest moment. Last May, I committed the ultimate newbie mistake. I transplanted my tomatoes too early, got excited by a warm April week, then boom, a surprise frost warning. My precious seedlings were doomed. Covered them with every pot bucket I owned. Wrapped stems in old t-shirts like tiny plant sweaters. Said a little prayer to the gardening gods. The result? Half died. The survivors looked pathetic yellow leaves, stunted growth. I almost gave up. Then, the comeback. I trimmed the dead parts, gave them worm tea fertilizer, and whispered threats about the compost bin. 2 weeks later, explosion of growth. By July, those dead plants were 6 feet tall, loaded with more tomatoes than I could eat. Lesson learned. Plants want to live, even after our mistakes. Stress equals strength. Those stressed plants fruited earlier than my neighbors. Never underestimate worm poop. Now, I purposely stress my transplants a little. It makes them tougher. That year's failure taught me more than any gardening book. Your turn? Got a garden disaster that turned golden? Share below. Misery loves company, and we all learn from it. Avoid these 5 May blunders. Want to skip the facepalm moments? Here are the top 5 May mistakes that sabotage Zone 7B gardens and exactly how to dodge them. 1. The temptation to plant too early. That 70F afternoon, a trap. Night temps below 50F will stunt tomatoes and peppers. Wait until soil is warm to the touch. Test at 10. If it feels chilly, hold off. 2. Crowding like a subway at rush hour. Those cute little seedlings triple in size. Give plants breathing room. Tomatoes, 24-36 apart. Zucchini, 36 minimum. Pro tip, use the mature width on plant tags as your spacing guide. 3. Drowning your plants with love. Overwatering equals root rot city. The finger test never lies. Dry at too deep, water. Damp, walk away. 4. Ignoring the forecast like a bad ex. That light frost warning, it means business. Keep old sheets or frost cloth ready. Make cold snaps. Love to surprise. 5. Letting weeds throw a rave. 1 week of ignoring weeds equals seed explosion. Mulch immediately after planting and pull invaders when they're small enough to flick away. Bonus tip, keep a garden journal, note what didn't work this year so next May is smoother. Why this month matters. May isn't just another month, it's your garden's make or break moment in Zone 7B. Here's why. Perfect growing conditions. Warm soil plus cool nights equals explosive root growth. Pollinator party. Early blooms attract bees that'll work for you all season. Beat the heat, plant now, and crops mature before summer's brutal temps. Pest advantage. Get plants established before bugs go into overdrive. Miss May, and you're playing catch-up all summer. You'll harvest weeks earlier with twice the yield. This is your 30-day window to outsmart Mother Nature. Use it wisely. Your garden's May transformation starts today. Here's your mission. Pick 1 tip from this guide and try it this week. Tag me in your progress pics. I love seeing your wins. Bookmark this guide. May comes faster than you think. Drop a comment below. What's the first thing you're planting? Your biggest garden challenge right now? Subscribe for more Zone 7B hacks next up. June's secret pruning tricks? Now go get dirty. Your dream garden is 30 days away.